What's that?
A melon.
It's a piece of melon, like a flower, right? Mmm. How do the strawberries taste?
Good.
They taste good. Are they yummy, yummy?
Yummy.
Good. And how's the melon?
And good.
It tastes good? Did you try it yet?
But yes.
Why don't you take a bite of the melon? This is the melon down here, sweetie.
This is mud.
Oh, you want a piece of the yellow flower? How's that?
Yummy.
Good. You know what that is? It's pineapple. You know where it came from? Came from Diane and Ed. Oopsie oopsie. And it came from Ann and Shep. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Yeah, say thank you, Ann.
Thank you, Ann.
And thank you, Shep.
Thank you, Shep.
And thank you, Diane. And thank you, Ed.
Blue one. Blue one.
You wanted the blue button? Okay. Can you give me a kiss? Oh. Beautiful.
Pit. Kiss it, camera.
You're kissing the camera. I know. We're going to send these kisses to Diane and Ed.
Blue.
Yeah, there's the blue bolt. And Ann and Shep. Kisses to them. Okay.
Sugar. Kitty cat.
Here's a Kit Kat on that block. Yeah.
Meow.